From visitmysmokies.com, that's the question. Have you been to that highest point? We've got the highest point that we've had so far this summer season on the thermometer coming up in this fun cast with your Smoky Mountain meteorologist, Paul Poteet. Of course, we're just looking at a picture of Clingmans Dome, third highest mountain east of the Mississippi. Highest point in Tennessee, and it's 6,643 feet. My son just finished a hike of that not too long ago. Speaking of kids, hope you're coming off of a great Father's Day weekend. It's the first week with summer in it. Officially arriving in the Smokies on the calendar this week at 5:14 a.m. on Tuesday. And we certainly have the temperatures to go along with the calendar. We've got the Dollywood summer celebration, the longer hours in the evening, the great fireworks and drone show at night. As my temperatures in the forecast are heating up yet again here this week, you may want to check out Dollywood Splash Country. Thrilling slides. They've got 3 slides that are classified as high thrill. You got the Fire Tower Falls, a 70-foot drop, 2 free fall slides that are side by side. Mountain Scream, they call it Mountain Scream, it's pretty obvious. And the Butterfly also are thrilling. But they've got some low speed stuff too. So you can have fun with the family, the downbound float trip, for example. If you're looking to take a leisurely swim, how about a dip in the Cascades? That's an 8,000 square foot pool with interactive fun for the kids. Some more summer fun when those temperatures get jacked up, and that's Ober Gatlinburg. They've started all kinds of summer fun in the last several years. Summer tubing means that you've got another activity to do once you get to the top of Mount Harrison. It's adjacent to the Ski Mountain Coaster, and the Magic Carpet will continue to carry riders in their tubes to the top of the tubing hill, and you can cruise back down one of 4 250-foot lanes. And you also can have some fun with water raft rides at Ober Gatlinburg. No swimsuits required, just the desire to have fun, they say. Because the protection of the rafts, you may get splashed, but that's just part of the entertainment. It was shoot the shoot, shoot the shoot. That's hard to say. Shoot the shoot. Shoot, that's hard to say. And the lightning water ride. Well, I don't have much lightning in my 7-day forecast, but we do get back into kind of daily chances of some scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms. No big, huge organized systems through the 7-day forecast. I will say that I don't think the humidity is going to be so bad. It's going to get hot again, obviously, but I don't think the humidity will be too bad till either Wednesday or Thursday. Then we'll bring back the humidity also and introduce that daily chance of showers and thunderstorms when you come for the summer fun, and make sure you check first when you do. We've got all the latest at visitmysmokies.com.